time to start cutting. Hey you. Yes, I'm talking to you. That's a dangerous machine right there, and before I let you use it, you're gonna have to learn some safety rules so you don't end up like this. For starters, go ahead and clean off all that junk that's been accumulating. Remember, a clean work area is a safe work area. Next, you're gonna wanna familiarize yourself with that old trusty manual that came with your table saw. In here, you will find everything you need to know about safely using your particular saw. Go ahead and make sure all the safety features for your saw are present and in good working order, including the blade guard, feed stand, and anti-kickback pawls, which prevent the wood from shooting back at you. On most table saws, there should be a removable key that prevents it from powering on when it's removed. This is to keep children from playing with it. Next, you're going to need some eye protection in case something were to be turned into a projectile from that saw blade. Ear protection is a good idea since it's loud and it could be causing some hearing loss later on in life. It's also not a bad idea to wear a dust mask to prevent sawdust from getting in your lungs. Also, make sure not to wear long sleeves, loose clothing, or jewelry. Pretty much anything that could potentially get caught in the saw is just not a good idea. Never ever use drugs and/or alcohol when operating a table saw, let alone any kind of machinery. It's just a recipe for disaster. Make sure to pay extra attention to everything that you're doing, so no daydreaming or dozing off. When turning on the saw, make sure nothing is contacting the blade. Never cut wood freehand. Always make sure you use a fence or a miter gauge, but don't use both at the same time. Try not to stand directly in front of the blade in case there's a kickback. I like to consider 6 or more inches to each side of the blade at the danger zone. Never push the wood in this area with your hands. Instead, I would use a push stick. You can buy push sticks, but I just made them with a notch in the end like this. Just make sure you are able to keep your hand way above the blade when pushing it through. Make sure to always use the built-in outfeed stand or an extra table to support large sheets of wood. I had a teacher in college who, after turning off the saw, rested his hand next to the blade and cut 2 of his fingers clean off. So it's still very dangerous until it comes to a complete stop. Also, when you're changing the blade, make sure it is unplugged and you're using the correct insert. Well, looks like you're ready to finally use the table saw. Congratulations! Well, I hope you guys found this video useful. Again, please be very careful when using saws, and if you have anything to add to this, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. But thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you later. Peace out.